Peninsula today, North Wales, on the lookout for some fishing spots. You might call them fishing marks. And this spot here, it does look like quite a good one, so I think we're going to work it just now. That side there we've got Porthoe, Whistling Sands, and that side there you've got Mynydde Mawr, right on the end of the peninsula. Maybe a blood knot. And we'll just try a simple old lure just here. I may get a snag, so I can afford to just lose that. Just check it out, see where we're at with things. Well, this is a fantastic location. The sea is crystal clear. It's nice and warm, but I'm not catching. So we'll have a mooch around and see what other spots we can work on this outcrop. I think we'll move on somewhere else. There's nothing happening here too. Well, we're at a new spot, a couple of casts, nothing yet, so we'll change the simple cheap lure to something with a bit more colour on it. It's worth a try. Okay, let's see what happens. Well, that's not quite what I expected to find. Nice sand eel there. Well, I suppose you could use that for bait, but I'm not in the game for bait today, so that can go back if it can survive. Another one. We also had a nice pollock before, but the camera was over there, so I couldn't actually film it. So I tried to get the camera turned on, and in the process of getting the camera on, I lost the bloody fish. It got off again, another pollock. That was a nice one, that. Number 3. Number 4. I don't know what's going on. a pollock that we've landed at last. I've had 3 of them today. It's the first one I can show you. We've come to a new location on the headland again. That's where we were fishing way down there the other day. Porth Coleman is way back there in the distance. And that way is Porth Towan on the Lleyn Peninsula. So far, no joy, not even a knock, no bites, no nothing, but the tide's really low. But when you got views like that, stunning views, it's just worth being here. Well, we're having a flask of coffee just waiting for the water to rise a bit because it's a good low tide this. First pollock, we're at Porth Whistling Sands. I can go back though. It got away. Oh. That got away, that had a good strong pull then. Mackerel point, and we're on feathers today.